Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use Airtable features effectively. First, you can see we have this AI feature. This could be used to enter prompts and build your tools. And this is actually pretty simple to do. You can easily manage your stuff and complete your tasks. Secondly, you can see we have our templates, so you can start with your templates as well and quickly upload your data which is to be migrated. Let's just say you got some CSV files and different formats of data that you want to operate and upload in here. You can do that actually on Airtable. It is going to be using that data to further on optimize your workflows even more. If you want to create new workspaces, you can click on this option, and simply creating different workspaces can separate from the clutter, and you will be getting your stuff done much more easily. So that are these are basically the base principles that you can use, and I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.